on 1, 2, 3, go. Neck and neck, jeez. No, 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 no. Oh, that's it. Chill, chill, chill. Wow. Wow. The car's about, oi.
Has he recorded himself with Steve?
What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video with Hoodstick. My name is Mud, and today we're gonna do something interesting. We're gonna use a stock NA Civic Type R which I got from COPART, and we're gonna race that with the COPART Subaru and see which car is quicker on the highway, and do pros and cons about both cars, and drop a comment down below on what you think and what car's better. Stay tuned, guys. Right, let's get into the Civic. Yeah. There we go. I mean, the first thing that I can say about the Civic is the Recaro seats. It just looks absolutely amazing. Literally. You know, out of all the cars that I've driven, the Type R Recaro seats, it's just so comfortable, and just for long journeys, it's just so good, and it hugs you. It's like a bucket seat, but a very comfortable bucket seat. So that's one point for the Civic. All right. Okay, now we are in the Subaru. Let's start that up. Like the dashboard on this, so cool. Now that's got to be better than the Civic. The interior, the seat, it's a bucket seat, but it's not better than the Type R at all. So again, this one's going to take slightly longer to warm up, and once it warmed up, we'll hit the highway. Right, I do know basic knowledge. Honda Civic Type R is 200 brake horsepower. The Subaru is 255 brake horsepower. On Parker's website, the Type R does 0 to 60 in 6.6 seconds, and the Subaru does 0 to 60 in, well, some say 5.5 seconds. So it's the Subaru is showing that it's slightly faster. So, but who knows? A lot of people say the Type R is quicker than the actual manual. So we'll test it onto the road today. The weather is, I wouldn't say it's the best. It has been raining in the night, so I think that Subaru will win in terms of traction, but we'll see. We'll take it on the road right now, get the car warmed up. I've got a habit, and I've been doing it since I was young. When I first passed my driving test, a lot of people recommend that always give your car about probably 5-10 minutes to warm up, and when you see the temperature dial go up, that's when you know the car's getting like slightly warmed up, and it's good for the car, because people just tend to, like, when they're rushing to work, they start the car and start driving. It's not good for the engine, it's not good for any of the components for the car, so it's always good to warm up the car, and that's just my own preference. So yeah, let's hit the road. Got my co-pilot driving the Subaru, and I'm in the Type R. Hopefully you guys can see the quality, because it's getting a bit dark now. The weather is not the best, but yeah, wow, the Subaru is looking so good. Very interesting this is. Subaru versus Type R, eh? Hey guys. So we're trying to get to the motorway now, but okay, hold on. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah! Yeah! I'll slow down now. But wow, this Civic, the torque is immense in this car. It just comes to show that the VTEC has got some serious power. his second take now. 1, 2, 3, go! Neck and neck, jeez. No. Oh, that's it. Chill. Wow. The Type R clearly keeps up with the Subaru. Unbelievable, that is. Beautiful. Nice. And that's why, guys, you get yourself an Evo 6. Such a beautiful car. Nice. This is what a car's about. Oi! Go ahead. That was crazy. To me, I felt like it picks up speed way faster than I actually thought. I mean, when I drove the Civic Type R, it picks up speed just like this. Starts at 3,000 revs, while the Type R starts at 5,500, 6,000 revs. I just want to finish off what I think on both cars. As far as you can see, the Honda Civic Type R and the Subaru Impreza are virtually neck and neck. You can see like every gear, every shift. Of course, if it was a standstill launch, the Subaru will win because it's got the four-wheel drive traction. It's in a rainy day, and obviously if there were turns or if it's on the track, the Subaru's got the edge in the bends because of the four-wheel drive traction and the launch. But apart from that, I mean, when we did the pulls on the highway, you can see the Type R was sticking with the Subaru, which is absolutely shocking. And it's not all about the power, because again, the Honda Civic Type R is 200 brake horsepower, and the Subaru has 55 brake horsepower more than the Type R. So, and you're probably thinking that, wait, the Subaru's got 55 more brake horsepower and it's 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds, which is 1 second more. It's got to be quicker. But again, we've never done a launch. But on the highway, the Type R was sticking with the Subaru, which is remarkable. And for me to experience that was a shock for me, because I just thought, wow, the Subaru should be leaving the Type R, but no, it didn't. It was sticking. So I think its gear ratios of the Type R is it's a lot more quicker, and with the Subaru, every time you change the gear, there's a slight lag for the turbo to spool up. Apart from that, in terms of the price comparison, you can pick up a Type R virtually half the price of the Subaru. Again, that's Subaru Power Drive Edition. So if you wanted to save a bit of money, you know, you can get yourself a Type R that can keep up with the Subaru. But yeah, I mean, it's all down to opinions. I do like the Subaru because it is a fun car to drive. It's pretty raw. But at the same time, the Civic Type R, when you're in VTEC, it's so addictive and it's so fun. And I can't really say which car's better. But then I got thinking that, hold on, does it end there? Because with the Subaru, if you were to modify the Subaru, all you got to do is bolt on a bigger turbo, or you just do a VMAP or straight through exhaust, and you virtually would be pushing more than 300 brake horsepower, 350 brake horsepower, and it'll still be okay. But with the Honda Civic Type R, a turbocharger or a supercharger, it'll cost you like literally a good couple of £1,000. But with the Subaru, it's all done. And again, in stock form, they're both virtually neck and neck. You know, it's a hard pick. I honestly wouldn't know which one's better. I like both cars, but I want to give you guys a bit of an update. I've actually part-exed the Subaru Impreza, so that's no longer mine, and I've swapped it for another car, and I can't tell you what car it is, but that will be revealed really soon. But maybe you guys can drop a comment and tell me what you think, what car it could be, and also drop a comment down below what you guys think. Is the Civic Type R better or the Subaru Impreza is better? I know there's a lot of Subaru. I've got Subaru fans and I got Honda fans, and you guys do a bit of clash, and you know, you're all open for debate. But yeah, again, subscribe on the channel if you're new. If you're watching this, hit the notification button, and if anybody's got Civic Type R's or Subarus that want to get features on the channel or for a review, just message me on Instagram, which is hood_stig, and even join the group. I've opened up a Facebook group where you guys can join the group, and you can just open a discussion on cars, or even the latest cars, the latest Subarus, the latest Honda Civic Type R's. You all can have a discussion about it, or good debate about it. So join the community, hood_stig fam. So peace guys, and see you in the next video. Upcoming videos will be again a few more videos about the Skyline, because again, I haven't really had a chance to edit the videos that I've taken when it was at MGT Motorsport, when it was getting the new ECU. I have driven the car once. I have suffered a slight oil leak, which I'll hopefully get that fixed up, and then go for a blast. Again, the weather's been appalling, raining every single day. Again, this is Britain, this is England, and hopefully this summer the weather should be getting better in a couple of weeks time. Then we'll see a lot more videos, and yeah, so peace, take care guys, stay safe and drive safe.